So if you're filming with your Pocket 3, a lot of times you'll need your phone on the side, whether you're maybe reading chat if you're live streaming, or if you're like reading off of a script, or maybe you're just wanting to use your phone as a remote to control it. Now, BRDRC has this really good attachment system here where you can actually screw this thing on to the bottom of your Pocket 3 with the quarter thread. So you can see there's two attachments here. So we'll start with this one right here. So you actually have this part that will go into the bottom. Also, it's still giving you that quarter thread down there to hook onto other accessories. Even gives you 3 other quarter thread mounts to hook on anything else. And so once that's on the bottom, then you have a cold shoe mount, and then you can, you can attach a light to that or a microphone if you need to, but they also have this phone mount. So this thing's really cool because it has the cold shoe at the bottom, but also has a quarter thread, so you can use this for other things if you need to. So you can put this thing on that cold shoe just like so. And this is something that I use a lot. It's super useful because I like to read out what I'm saying, or at least have some notes on the side if I'm talking to the camera, like maybe bullet points or whatever. So look at this, and it's so nice. I love how this thing sticks out, so it's not gonna get in the way. And on that as well, it has 2 cold shoes on it, so you can even add microphones or lights to that to just give you that off-camera look. So it works really, really well, and it's good quality. Like it's really good quality, and I love it. I use it all the time. If you're looking to use your phone with your Pocket 3, or really, any other cameras you could use it with. So I highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.